something better in my head. Two different meanings to the words that you said. I guess I see the good and the messed up. Well, guess what? I ain't tripping no more, no. Keep it in the distance for sure. So why the hell I'm singing about this song now?
What is up, everybody? Today is your boy Geek of Sneakers back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the Geek Gang family. Make sure to hit that Make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Join the notification gang. Make sure to like. Oh my gosh, it got a little bit dark. Hold up. Make sure to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Now, I didn't record in here for the longest because I've said before that my room was getting redone. It took a minute, but finally my room is back to normal, you feel me? I feel like I still need to add a couple things to the room, but for the most part it's pretty much complete. And I'm able to, go back to recording in here, doing regular videos, sit down videos with you guys, and don't have to do it, sitting outside or doing it in the car, you feel me? I could go back to doing everything in here where it should be. Today I just want to give you guys a little update of my room, of what it looks like now. Now, if you guys remember, I had a whole TV right here, but what had happened was literally like a random thunderstorm just hit. The electricity went out and everything, and the TV went out. I had that TV for years, and that's the second time that something has happened to it, and I didn't feel like fixing it again, so just got rid of it. I don't have a TV anymore, but well, there is like a TV like right here. I usually use that for like a monitor when I'm on a computer. I don't mind not having a TV because I don't really watch TV as much. Usually I'm on, YouTube watching videos and all that. Like YouTube has become my new TV. Like I watch YouTube videos now for TV. Like the only thing I watch on TV is either wrestling or an NBA game, and that's it. And in its place, I got a few plastic drawers that I put, stuff in, my college books and folders. Just random stuff. We got some like old like Goosebumps, like bro, when I was in second grade, bro, when I was in third grade, Goosebumps was the book to read, bro. Goosebumps and Diary of a Wimpy Kid, bro. Those two book series, friggin' classic, bro. Again, my hats that I barely wear, that I never even touch, you feel me, but I just have them here. Right here, I just have some Supreme I'm selling. Under here is like a few drawings that I did in my 2D art class. I'm gonna put some B-roll of that because I'm actually kind of proud of those drawings that I did in my classes, so I'll put some B-roll of that. If you guys remember the last room tour video I did, I had Salon Care 40 volume cream like under a little stand that I had right here. I had like some saran wrap like over in the corner. Like I had a whole bunch of stuff that I used for shoes and all that, but I put them either in the kitchen or somewhere in the cabinet in my bathroom, you feel me? So just to get them out the room and have everything a little bit more organized and all that, and have it look a little bit more cleaner. I even had like old candy boxes that I used to put like random stuff in, that that was actually a little bit convenient, not gonna lie, but I just ended up trashing all the candy boxes and putting them somewhere else, either in like plastic bags or something, and stashing them somewhere or whatever, so like I could get rid of some of the stuff in the room that's making it very crowded, you feel me? Even though it kind of still looked good, low-key, in my opinion, if you guys watch the last room tour video, but still, like, it was not very crowded, but it was still kind of crowded in here, and I just wanted to get rid of that. Right here kind of looks the same. I got my shoes right here, except they're kind of pointed another direction compared to how I had it before. Over here again, we still got the same. We got the shoe boxes on top, the clothing. In here I have like a few pieces of clothing that I either don't wear or that I got from the thrift that I'm trying to resell or just get rid of, because like I don't wear them, or I feel like I could make a couple bucks from a few things that I got from the thrift. Over here hasn't changed. We still got the Supreme bag, the beads that I got from when I was at work, when I had the summer job back in 2018. Again, the same lanyard from Soulfest. We got a random Supreme bag over here that has nothing in it, but like I thought it's like a cool decoration, so I thought why not? I got new drawers over here. It has literally like, it has like a few things in it, but like not really too much in it, like, cause I got rid of a lot of stuff that was in here on the dresser. Like I used to have a whole bunch, I had a whole bunch of shoes on top of on top of my old dresser. The shoes that were right here on top of the old dresser, I just put them back in the boxes over there. I need to find space to put those somewhere in the room. I don't know where, but I have no place in my room to put the shoes that are in those boxes. So I have to, whenever I want to wear those shoes, I have to grab the boxes, take them out the boxes, and then put them back when I'm done with them. So I gotta find some space to put those, and I low-key don't want to put them on the dresser again. Even though it did kind of look cool. Dang, I am really dark. Even though it did kind of look cool, I kind of really don't want to like dirty my dresser or anything. So I don't know. For now, the extra shoes are gonna be in the boxes. Again, back to this setup, which is still kind of the same. You got the Samsung TV, the desk and everything, the printer, little printer down there that's wireless. I could print from another room if I wanted to. Oh yeah, the PS4 is actually in the kitchen now. And then over here we got the same. We got literally, like I said, nothing in here much. I feel like since my room is not really too crowded anymore, there's not really much to show. Like I don't really I mean, I could show my new bed, you feel me? Like that's the only thing else I feel like I haven't shown yet. And above the bed we have again another random painting that I did in like 3rd grade. The bed, the dresser, the drawers, I feel like is a lot more modern compared to, like, you know, how I had it before. And yeah, I think that's about it. Like I said, I don't think there is much for me to show in this room tour video, because like I said, I feel like my room last time when I did a room tour video, it was a lot more crowded. But since it was a lot more crowded, I feel like I had a lot more to show. But everything is, you know, a little bit more organized now. So now it's like I don't really have much to show, and like I got rid of a lot of stuff. But yeah, that is it for the room tour. Let me know what you guys think about the new room. Do you like it better than the old one, or do you like the old one better? Let me know. Again, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Again, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I post a new video. Join the notification gang. And again, follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm out.